Tea versus coffee, one better for your health. Coffee and tea are among the world's most popular beverages, with black tea being the most sought-after variety of the latter, accounting for 78% of all tea production and consumption, one trusted source. While the two provide similar health benefits, they have some differences. This article compares coffee and black tea to help you decide which one to choose. Caffeine is the most studied and consumed stimulant in the world. Present in many common beverages, including coffee and tea, it's known for both its beneficial and adverse effects on human health. While the caffeine content can vary depending on brewing time, serving size, or preparation method, coffee can easily pack twice the caffeine as an equal serving of tea. Antioxidants protect your body against free radical damage, which may help prevent the development of certain chronic diseases. Both tea and coffee are loaded with antioxidants, primarily polyphenols, which contribute to their characteristic flavor and health-promoting properties. Many groups of polyphenols are present in tea and coffee. A recent test tube study discovered that theaflavins and thearubicins inhibited the growth of lung and colon cancer cells and ultimately killed them. Both coffee and tea can give you an energy boost, but in different ways. Coffee's energy boosting effect. The caffeine in coffee elevates your energy levels. Caffeine increases alertness and reduces fatigue by increasing dopamine levels and blocking adenosine. Dopamine is the chemical messenger responsible for the jittery effect of coffee, as it increases your heart rate. It also affects your brain's reward system, which adds to coffee's addictive properties. On the other hand, adenosine has a sleep-promoting effect. Thus, by blocking it, caffeine reduces your feelings of tiredness. Tea's effect on energy. Though tea is lower in caffeine, it's rich in L-theanine, a powerful antioxidant that also stimulates your brain. Unlike caffeine, L-theanine may provide anti-stress effects by increasing your brain's alpha waves, which help you calm down and relax. This counteracts the arousing effect of caffeine and gives you a relaxed but alert mental state without feeling drowsy. Studies have found that consuming L-theanine along with caffeine, as in tea, may help you maintain your alertness, focus, attention, and sharpness. Possible weight loss benefits. Due to its high caffeine concentration, coffee may help you lose weight. Caffeine may increase the number of calories you burn by 3 to 13%, and maintain this effect for 3 hours after intake, translating into an extra 79 to 150 calories burned. Coffee has also been associated with fat-burning properties by inhibiting the production of fat cells. Some studies have attributed this effect to its chlorogenic acid content. A study in 455 people reported that regular coffee intake was linked to lower body fat tissue. Similar results were obtained in a review of 12 studies, suggesting that chlorogenic acid aids weight loss and fat metabolism in mice. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.